Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can pay your income tax online through your income tax portal. So after logging in and feeding all your details, if suppose there is a tax liability that has to be paid by you can pay it online at the time of filing itself. So I will show you in this video how you can do it. In my earlier video, I gave you a brief overview of how the new portal looks like, and now I will show you how to pay our tax liability. So I have already logged into my account. Now you just need to go to e-file income tax return, file income tax return option. Select the assessment year, which is 21 to 22 in this case. Select online mode and click on continue. As I said earlier, since I have already filled the details, I am clicking on resume filing. So in this page, you can check all the details like your personal information, your gross income, the deductions, the tax which you have already paid, and the liability, which is the actual amount which you have to pay, total amount which you have to pay. This total amount does not include the tax which has been already paid. So the tax what you have to pay is the total tax liability less the tax already paid. That part of calculation will be done by the system automatically, and only the remaining amount will be shown for you to make payment. Now I'm clicking on proceed. So here on top you can see you need to make a payment of 17,980. This is what it shows here. So once again in this screen you can again cross check what is your gross income, what is the deductions or the exceptions what you are eligible. After that what comes as your total taxable income and the tax actual calculated tax for the taxable income less the tax which has already been deducted by you or paid by you and the difference amount which you have to pay now. So after cross checking all these details, click on pay now. So now you will be redirected to e-payment of taxes portal, and here you can see list of options. Challan number 281, challan number 280, 82, 83, and so on. And the description of short description of those challan details, who has to pay it, is also mentioned here. So being a salaried person or a pensioner or any other individual, we need to select challan number 280, that is payment of advance tax, self-assessment tax, tax on regular assessment, surtax, tax on distributed profit of domestic company, and tax on distributed income to unit holders. So our category comes under challan 280. So we just need to click on it. After selecting that, here on top you can see you will be given 30 minutes of time to complete the payment, which is more than sufficient because here we are not going to fill any more details. Everything comes in a single page. So the first is tax applicable. Here you can see two options, corporate tax and for companies and income tax for other than companies. So obviously we have to select income tax, which is code number 0021, and type of payment you can see advance tax, tax, tax on distributed profit. All those things what I named earlier will be shown here. So in this we have to select a self assessment tax, which is number 300. So after selecting it, next it asks for mode of payment. You can pay it through either net banking or using debit card. If you are selecting net banking, here are the list of banks through which you can make the payment. So it's good to cross check whether the bank account or the balance in which bank you have is available here for payment. So these are the available list of banks for making net banking payment, and for debit card there are very few banks. Only these banks are available for debit card payment. Bank of Baroda, Canara, HDFC, ICICI, Indian Bank, Punjab National Bank and State Bank of India. So in this board, select any one of it. So in this case I have both, but now I want to go with a debit card and Indian Bank. After selecting it, on top you will be getting a pop-up saying that payment can be made using the debit card of selected bank. Okay, give OK for it. Then it will ask for your PAN number, assessment year and your address. So fill in all those details. Here assessment year is 21 to 22. Next, enter your complete address. After providing all those details, you have to enter the CAPTCHA here and click on proceed. So before making the final payment, here again it shows the details what you have selected. Tax applicable is 0021, type of payment 300, debit card, Indian Bank, your PAN number, name, assessment year, your address and consent, where you have to click on I agree and click on submit to the bank. Okay, this is the first time I am trying to make online payment, and here I get a error message stating that direct tax online payment are permitted from 8 hours to 20 hours only. So the presently service is not available. So it is asking to try after some time. So I will append another video to this when I am making a payment during these hours, and I will show it to you guys. Uh, Hello friends, today I am trying it again to make the payment. Today I am trying again to make the payment and just trying it 1 minute before the expiry time. So here all the details are filled and I just need to enter the total income tax amount, which is 70,980, and here it is asking for a debit card number. which I will be putting in now. 6080. I'm trying with a RuPay card. So I started the payment 1 minute before, and before I make the payment, already it's time 1 minute past 20 hours, which is 8 p.m. So today again I'm not able to make the payment. Okay, no issues, guys. I will try again tomorrow. Okay, this gave us a chance to see all the possibilities. One I tried after around maybe at 9 p.m. I think so. And today I came late from office and I was not able to do it well ahead of time. I know it's half chance, but still I just wanted to give it a try. Also, just to know how things goes. And as you can see here, I initiated the payment 1 minute before, which allowed me to go to next screen. But before I complete the payment, the already time is 1 minute past 20 hours, which is 8 p.m. So it did not allow me to complete the payment. Okay, I will try again tomorrow and I will show you this data. So now we have proceeded to next screen, and here it is asking for OTP that I am going to enter it now. I have entered the OTP. Click on submit. Yes, and finally we have made the payment, and you can see the challan here. You can also download the acknowledgement and save it in your PC. Once it is done, click on done button here.